Hello traders. Today we'll be looking at the synthetic base indicator for MT4. In this video, I'll walk you through how it uses color-coded arrows on the chart and a group of built-in oscillators, which are WPR, RSI, CCI, and MFI to visually highlight potential buy and sell conditions on synthetic markets. I just want to load the indicator on this chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the synthetic base indicator plots colored arrows directly on the main chart at points where its internal conditions line up. Upward arrows appear as blue below price when the underlying oscillator collectively suggests oversold or strengthening bullish conditions, while downward arrows appear above price as red arrows when they collectively suggest overbought or strengthening bearish conditions. The arrows are designed to stand out clearly against the candles, so you can quickly see where the tool has flagged a potential buy or sell opportunity. Because those arrows are driven by a combination of WPR, RSI, CCI, and MFI logic, each plotted signal reflects more than one momentum or overbought or oversold reading working together rather than a single indicator on its own. This point we'll look at is properties and input. We first have the WPR period that controls how many bars are used to measure where price sits within its recent high-low range, shaping how quickly WR, also known as Williams percent range, swings between overbought and oversold. We have the high and the low. Then we have the RSI, as I mentioned before, it's a combination of the four indicators, which are WPR, RSI, CCI, and MFI. We also have the marker, and you can also turn on the alerts to enable your trade notification. Now you can change the color of the arrows over here. Now let's move over to who it's for and its limitations. The synthetic base indicator is aimed at MT4 traders in synthetic and similar markets who prefer clean on-chart arrows informed by several oscillators rather than reading each indicator separately. It can appeal to intraday and short-term traders who like to see where WPR, RSI, CCI, and MFI all lean in the same direction before they study the candles more closely. As with any arrow-based indicator, it works best when combined with independent price action analysis, higher timeframe context, and strict risk management rather than being treated as a standalone solution. You can find the download link for the synthetic base indicator for MT5 in the description below, and also read the full article and see chart examples of the indicator on the Forex gig. For more breakdowns on multi-oscillator arrow tools like this, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.